Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing great. Today in this video I'm going to start the type menu. So we're going to look for the primary options that's available under this menu. So you can find this more from Adobe fonts if you want to download fonts from Adobe. So this is going to be the link that you can expect a lot of different fonts that's available with Adobe that you can download for Adobe Illustrator. And the second options here, we have this font. If you just select any font from here, so this is going to be the default fonts when you're going to grab your type tool here if you want to just type anything here. So if I'm going to just click, so as you can see the default font is now this Robic. But if I'm going to change that, something like, let's go with this one. So we're going to select this. Now if I'm going to just use this type tool and click over here, so as you can see this font is by default is going to show me, so I can use this font and also I can increase the size for this font. So this is how you can change the default fonts when you want to use this type tool here if you want to write anything, and it can help you a lot with your typography design. And the third option that is available under this type, you have this recent fonts. So it's going to show you all the recent fonts that is already used, and you can select one of the fonts for your text. I can just go with this black, so the selected text is going to change. So this options allows you to select any fonts which is recently used by yourself with this app. And the fourth options that here we have underneath this recent fonts, we have the size. So you can select different size by up to 72 pt. You can select the size. You can go with all the default size that is available, but if I just click on other, so the other is going to show me this panel which I can increase the size here. And also I can change the font and I can change the font style. I can add the leading for my text. I can add the kerning between two characters, or I can add this which is this tracking for my text as well. So you can get this snap to glyphs. So it's going to be something like this panel which you're going to click at that, but in this panel you're going to get more options that you can change for your text. But here if I just click on the top, so the same option is going to show me. I can click on the all caps, so I can see all the options which is available from this panel. If I just click at this character, and here on the top if I click, so you can get all the options. And the last option here, we have this glyphs. So if you want to use any special character with your text, so you need to use this glyphs. So you have to go to this type and click on this glyph. So here if you just click on the glyphs, so it's going to open you this panel, and you can go with different font here. I can go with this Robic, or I can go with any others. So with every font there is going to be a lot of different glyphs available. So if I want to add any glyphs here, so I'm going to just double click here, and I'm going to click over here, just double click, and this glyphs is going to add over here. And also we have different font style that you can select, and also here we have this zoom out and zoom in, so you can see the glyphs character, or you can just expand this glyphs so you can see all the characters and all the things that's available inside this glyph panel. And on the top you can see we have different alternate for current selection. You have this different standard lectures, we have different subscript. If I just select that, so with different glyphs, there is going to be different superscript is going to show me. But if I just go with something a different one, different font here, so definitely this top which is this glyphs is going to change. So if I just go with something, let's try to go with this candle here. So I'm going to change that something like this candle. But here for this one there is no font I think available, so we're going to go with chunk 5 print. So with chunk 5 print there is no available glyphs. If I just go with this candle, so with this one also there is no glyphs. But if I just go with this Rubik, with Rubik you can get a lot of different glyphs. It means that if you select different type of font, so with that there is going to be the glyphs different. But if I just click on the top, so I can just click on reset panel here, so everything is going to reset with this glyph. So this is how you can use this glyph under this type menu. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learn how to use some options with type menu. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.